It has chiseled lines, turbocharged power, available all-wheel drive, and a luxurious high-tech interior. The 2019 RDX has what it takes to be the best vehicle in the Acura lineup, as long as we're not talking about that fantastic swoopy NSX supercar. Hi, I'm Marty Padgett. We are here in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia, and I'm here to show you why the 2019 Acura RDX might be the best way yet to take some attention away from those pricey German rivals. The RDX has a newfound sense of style this year. It sits lower and wider for 2019, and it wears a big five-sided grille that blends in with some concept car style. It's framed by deep lines that direct air around the car and around big LED headlights. It dons big character lines down the side and some black roof pillar trim to make the roof appear to float. On the A-spec version, the bright metal trim tones down to black to match its bigger wheels. The new interior significantly ups the RDX's luxury quotient. It mixes touches of ash wood, brushed aluminum, stainless steel, and leather. A-spec RDX crossovers can put two-tone black and red upholstery in the cabin. Under the hood, the RDX swaps its 3.5-liter V6 for a roarty 2-liter Turbo 4 that makes 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. Based on the Honda Civic Type R's Turbo 4, this energetic dual overhead cam engine has 40% more low RPM torque. It's teamed with a new 10-speed automatic. All-wheel drive is an option, and it can route 70% of the torque to the rear end. Torque vectoring across the rear splits power left to right up to 100% to improve handling even more. Integrated dynamics control is one detail lifted from the NSX and transplanted into the RDX. It spins from comfort to sport or sport plus modes, which tells the drivetrain to calm down or to get amped up, from steering to throttle to adaptive shocks when they're fitted. When it's tweaked for a response, the Turbo 4 in the RDX delivers a swift gust of torque thanks to a transmission with low first gear and 9 more to choose from there. Ride and handling are one of the RDX's bright spots. The suspension uses front McPherson struts and a 5-link independent rear. With the available adaptive dampers, the RDX is quick-footed without being too firm, even with 20-inch wheels. There's a rational level of body lean, and it has an absorbent ride. Even on the base suspension, it takes an unruffled set. Steering doesn't get too leaden when it's dialed into Sport Plus mode either, and it tracks well over rough pavement. The brakes on our early tester had a firm pedal without a lot of travel, though. The 2019 RDX rides on a new platform exclusive to Acura. The wheelbase stretches 2.6 inches longer, which improves rear seat and cargo space. In front, newly designed sport seats have better support and 16-way power adjustments, including adjustable side bolsters that pocket the upper body like a baseball mitt. The lesser seats aren't quite as impressive though, and they sit a little bit higher. A high cargo floor goes deep and wide in the back of the RDX, and it offers up 29.5 cubic feet of storage space behind the back seat. Acura moved the spare tire under the rear of the car, so the cargo area also has a 1.7 cubic foot compartment below the carpeted deck, and that's enough for a backpack and some supplies. Every 2019 RDX has forward collision warnings with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and active lane control. The new RDX also has a touchpad input for its big, bright 10.2-inch infotainment display. The driver can use the touchpad to navigate functions for audio and phone and tap or press to activate. Voice commands on most models understand natural speech, so when you beg for coffee, it'll know just the place nearby with no screen tapping or wheel spinning involved at all. The 2019 Acura RDX comes standard with the 10.2-inch center screen, Apple CarPlay, keyless ignition, in-car high-speed data, 12-way heated front sport seats, a panoramic sunroof, a power height adjustable tailgate, LED headlights, and 19-inch alloy wheels. The A-spec model gets 20-inch wheels, gloss black accents, and the optional two-tone red and black interior. Buyers can also choose a head-up display, 16-way power seats, and a 16-channel 710-watt ELS 3D audio system with roof-mounted speakers and sublime, crisp sound. Prices start from about $38,000 and top out just under $49,000. So what's the bottom line with the 2019 Acura RDX? Well, it's taken a clean sheet approach to sporty utility, and it works well. I'm Marty Padgett. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram.